Airbnb that I'm at, but today's project is actually getting back to this side of the island here and getting the boat off. It seems intact, everything seems to be there. I'm happy about that. So that's gonna be the vibe for wherever I'm at in these vlogs. And then I'll show you guys the Airbnb that I stayed at. Right now my energy levels are great because I got a good night's rest in an actual bed, air conditioning. I got something to eat last night. Got up a bit early. Got up from about 7 o'clock today. So yeah, got up from 7 today and was just like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna go get my boat. The waves don't seem as bad as they were yesterday. They're a bit strong, but not as bad. Let's get out of here as quickly as possible. I am not gonna lie, maybe it's just my thought process, but it feels like the damn waves are back to what they were like yesterday. Me not like it. Me no like it. Let's go. All right, beat the first set. Just noticed I still have on my damn bag, which is dumb. Wasn't thinking, but today I'm stronger. I'm more mentally prepared, and I'm ready for this shit. So if I can get over the first couple lumps in this bad boy and get out there, opens a big one. All right, let's see what this kayak can do. Okay, seems to have done well with that. Now I kind of wish I had not left my freaking bag on my back. It's annoying. Here comes a nice big swell. Here we go, here we go. Woo, nice ride, kayak. Nice freaking ride. Love it. Worth every penny thus far. Every freaking penny. All right, I think I'm kind of at a safe distance now from shore. The boat should be able to ride whatever waves based on the coral formation down here. I'm sure she'll be all right. Let me just tie my bag up. Let me get back straightway so the boat can ride that wave really well and try to get my motor going. This is going to be the important part, getting the motor on. All right, now is not the time, baby, to act up. I need you more than ever before. Move really quick. Oh. Really quick. And make a little. Well done, Yamaha. No. I knew it, man. I could just feel it. Okay. You're not fully primed yet. There he goes. Oh, shit. Okay, my boat sounds like she's running out of fuel. So, this is what I had done the other day. She ran out of fuel. I never want to put too much in because when I get in land, I'm gonna have to undo it. We're almost there. Just need a little bit more to gas her up. Oh, full to tank. Damn. A rock or something. Let's just hope it was a fuel thing. I don't want to hook up. I'm ready. Land ho. All right. Guys, I am finally back to civilization. I actually get the chance to finally show you the place that I stayed at last night, the place that just rejuvenated me and gave me the whole energy that I needed to actually go and tackle those waves just now, yo. Alright, so let's kick off the tour for those persons who I know like seeing places that I stay at and what it might be like. So let's start off with one of my favorite places, which is the kitchen. The stove is going right now because I actually have my cast iron pots that I am curing in there, you know, salt water with the whole, you know, the whole adventure. It got really messed up, so I used some of my olive oil there, got it going. So stove seems to be working pretty good. We have a nice little fridge here. Nice little fridge. I don't have anything in there. I'm not really planning on cooking anything much. Got soda, some leftover dinner. If you're a coffee lover, I'm not really a coffee lover per se, but I do have a coffee pocket. I'm gonna actually use it. So you have all those of the stuff that you guys might need depending from where you are and what culture. You know, you guys like different stuff. Of course, you have a nice little microwave, and I do like the whole idea of this place. It's very cozy. I do like that, and the color schemes work really well. Favorite part, as you guys know, I have been here, so I have been, you know, using the place, so it might be a little bit in disarray in some ways, but what I like about this is that it doesn't feel like a kitchenette, like you're trying to just skimp on stuff. There's a nice kitchen sink here where you could do whatever. What I was doing before, I was cleaning up all of my pots, my bags, everything like that. So this was a great space to actually use to get everything done and sorted out. Now let's take a look at some of the key features here. Inside here you actually have the washing machine and you have the dryer over there. I'll show you guys a quick clip of me last night washing some of my clothes up and having them dried. That for me was super important. Now, what makes that super important for me is after taking such a long trip and not really having those creature comforts, it becomes very important. And I don't want to be walking around, as we say, frownsy clothes that don't smell good. So, of course, I have some of my bags packed off there, which I did wash and clean and stuff like that here. So it was convenient having those stuff. There was a little basket that I did use to put in my dry clothes. Yes, I'm gonna fold those soon. I hate folding clothes, bro. And yo, favorite part about this place is TV, massive TV. The owner didn't skimp on making sure that the TV is pretty big. This seems like a 55-inch TV and it's a Samsung. Yo, I like Samsung TVs. I don't own one, but I do like them. Netflix is connected. I watch a couple episodes of 7 Deadly Sins. I'm at season 2, episode 1. If you like that series or you like anime, drop a like on the video and let us know. I don't know what this whole setup is. It does seem like it's some music type of thing. And Bose, yo, if you know Bose, you know it's quality sound setup. This couch, I was on it for a little bit. I did fall asleep on this couch, so you know it's comfortable enough. And this little, that's a nice little chair. I like that. All right. So what I like about here, I'm currently in Tower Isle, and Tower Isle, you always have those cliffside type of setups here. Nothing too fancy, if I'm to be honest. Just a chair, a couple chairs, 3 chairs or whatever, and you can hear the ocean waves, which is a plus. I like that about it. All right, so that's basically is the downstairs area. Now, one thing that I like about this place, let me try to find a light really quickly. Is there a light for this one here? Oh, that's not it. I like how they have the light setups in this place. There are a lot of different chandeliers and stuff like that, which is really cool. Let me try to find that plug, that socket. What did you call that thing again? Switch. Boom, found the switch. Now, as you can see, whoever decorated this place really did make this place have a nice little, you know, it's a nice little royal touch, you know. You can call me King Soai. I'm showing you my nice place. Follow me with your minions. So if you look up there, you definitely see recessed lighting. That makes the place have a nice little modern touch. And what I do like here, of course, the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi with the password is there is really cool. What I like about this, definitely, I don't like when some Airbnbs have this piece of paper with the Wi-Fi thing or whatever. It's so unsanitary, especially with the whole COVID thing. Everybody's doing the same type of paper. You could just look up there and you can see what you need to see. Plus, they also send you the information as well. For me yesterday, I like this countertop. You can have your dinner there or whatever the case is. But I used that yesterday for just charging everything up. So that was pretty cool. All right, so let me take you to the upstairs. Oh, I'm gonna tell you about the chandeliers. Look at that. Magical. I really like that. So anyway, let's head upstairs. And that's what I kind of like about places like these. I do like separation, so it does feel more like a home. Oh man, look at those lights, man. Man, I won't lie, that chandelier thing is really nice. All right, so we're upstairs now, and again, more chandeliers. I do enjoy that. Yes, I was here sleeping last night, and of course this morning, so the bed is not perfectly spread. I like to keep my channel very honest and very true, so some persons would probably have gotten up and spread the bed or whatever, but now I'll just show you a clip of what it looked like last night. All right, and there we have it still, those two little swans who can't keep their mouths off each other and just, yeah, all that affectionate type of stuff is there. I like that they have a little digital clock there, even though you have a watch or your phone, that's also great. Now there is a nice size TV. This TV looks like it's about a 45 inch screen TV, which has Roku, so that's pretty good. And lighting. Not lighting, a mirror. I really like that there's a mirror there. I can't show you what's in the mirror because I didn't have no shorts on. I'm gonna be freaking honest. So, all right. So up here as well, I didn't even know. Did I notice this last night? No, I did not. There's actually a balcony up here as well. So if you want to come out here and do what you have to do, yeah, there's also a balcony up here and a nice view of everything. The pool is somewhere on that side, so there is a pool here. Tomorrow I'll get the chance to show you guys that, so stick around for the next video tomorrow, because there's actually a sunken ship right there that I should be snorkeling tomorrow. So if you want to see that and see what the property looks like outside, definitely check that out tomorrow. Oh, and there seems to be a chair that you can take with you if you need to go downstairs or whatever. That's kind of cool. All right, so let's head to the final spot, and that's going to be the bathroom. Of course, I did take a shower. Muy magnifico. It was really good. I do like the shower. It's nice. It's very modern. A friend of mine and I always debate about these kind of showers because, you know, they splash and, you know, water seeps out, and I don't mind them, but I know they don't like them. But for this one actually works really well because they have the modern design thing here, which you see it's a large thing that no water actually came back here, so that was pretty good. Yeah, that's my shower thing and shower gel or whatever. So I do like that about this spot here. Nice, I mean, decent toilet, I would suppose. And yeah, the same countertop that is downstairs on the kitchen is the same one up here. It's very nice. It got those little sparkly, shining stuff. I'm sure the ladies would definitely love that. Yeah, do not roast me with my pink toothbrush. It's the only travel one that I saw. And yeah, definitely have my red eye drops there, definitely for moments when my girl doesn't believe me and I have to do this. Babes, I know every Jamaica man stays so. Cry now. Hold on. Oh my God, when you wanna cry. Babes. I know every Jamaican man stays here. I try. Alright, so let's go through the whole pros and cons of this actual place. I'll give you my honest opinion of it. So first of all, let's go through all the pros. It's a very nice place, very comfortable. The price point is really, really good. I believe the price is actually, I gotta go double check. Yeah, I had to make sure I'm not telling you guys any crap. It's actually $6 per night for this place. I mean, even with the COVID situation that's going on now, it may be in high times, it could be about maybe $80, I would say. I've been to another Airbnb which is close by here, probably like 5-minute drive away from here, and that was about $90, and it's nowhere as nice as this spot. This spot has a lot of nice modern touches to it. What else? Yeah, very comfortable. It feels like I'm at home, so I do enjoy that about it. Just to talk about the cons about it, to be quite honest, yes, on the outside, most of these places in the Tower Isle area, you know, the outside may not look as fabulous, but that's not what counts. It's really what's on the inside that counts, and trust me, inside here and for the price point, it's really, really good. As a YouTuber, the only issue that I had with the house per se would have possibly been, I would say, upstairs for the Wi-Fi. The TV, I was trying to watch Seven Deadly Sins because, as I said, I fell asleep on the couch, and when I came back upstairs, it just was not connecting so well. But that's something that I will relate to the owner, and that's a simple fix, to be honest, because when I did check where the flow box was, it's flow positioned the damn box really poorly, so it's not connecting all the way through. But you could easily fix that by moving the box or just getting an extender. You guys know what that is. It's pretty quick and easy. But apart from that, it's a really great place. But I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for, you know, going through this whole adventure with me thus far and coming to stay at this place with me and see what it's like. I hope you guys do check it out. I'll drop the link in the description box so that you guys can find this place for yourself. Cop the deal. As I said, it's a really nice place. Your girl will enjoy it, your boy will enjoy it, whatever the case is. It's gonna be great. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video, where I'm gonna be searching or just snorkeling around and diving in this really cool shipwreck that is just downstairs. I think that's also a very nice key feature of the spot. But remember 2 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation. Oh, let's put it to 4. If you like videos like these, drop a like on it, key the link.